Service in Lincoln has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for East Central McLean County until 4:15 p.m. At 3:37 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Towanda, or near normal, moving east at 60 miles per hour. Expected hazards include quarter-size hail. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Damage to vehicles is expected. This severe thunderstorm will be near Colfax around 3:50 p.m. This includes the following highways: Interstate 39 between mile markers 0 and 5. Interstate 55 between mile markers 160 and 175. Interstate 74 between mile markers 125 and 130.